Hello everyone. So I got this camera from Temu website. I ordered it on the 27th and I just received it today, 4th of May. It only took 5 days for me to receive it. I already opened it and I've already tested. This is the camera here. This is what we got in the box. We got the camera itself. And we got the user manual. And we got the Type-C USB to charge it. And that's all. So to power it on, you just press here. See what you got this. This is what you got. Remember, it's 1080. You cannot get, let's go to the menu. It's 1080. You can see here the menu. You move those buttons here to change. So I took this camera and went out. One thing I love about it is the audio. The audio is definitely good. Okay, not bad. But the image quality is not a 4K image quality. It's 1080. It's not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna post a video what I recorded with this camera. Okay, the camera audio quality, it's okay. Stabilization, very bad. Stabilization, the image stabilization is not okay at all. Absolutely not good. According to the description on Temu website, this camera can be used for 7 hours. I haven't used it for 7 hours yet. Okay? But it really was for it. The price of this camera is just around $35 or $30. Okay? Very cheaper. So now you can watch yourself. Those are the images I record with this camera I bought from Temu website.